As parents, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala entrusted us with the welfare of our children. And when I say the welfare and the well-being of our children, I'm not talking about their clothing and their activities and sports and their luxury. I'm talking about their heart, their well-being, their connection to Allah, their right to know, to understand, to be taught the truth, and to be guided to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to be given a fair chance to know the truth and understand the reality of this life, and know why they were created and what they are supposed to do with their life. That's our responsibility. The school will not take that burden off your shoulders. The masjid will not take that burden off your shoulders. The Qur'an teachers are not going to take that off your shoulders. Allah will hold you accountable, because Allah says, "Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum naran waquduha an-nas wal hijara." O you who believe, protect yourselves and your families. Family here means your spouse, your children, and anyone under your care. Protect them from the hellfire. That's your responsibility. So if any parent has not exerted themselves and done everything they could, and sometimes we underestimate what we can. We have this bias. We want to give ourselves an excuse. If you have not done your best or the best possible in your situation, Allah will hold you accountable. It might be that you will be denied paradise. It's not a joke. And you could come up with excuses. I have a lot of responsibilities. I'm so busy. I have to do this. I have to do that. I'm working 2 jobs. Oh, the way the system here works does not allow me to spend time with my kids, to take care of them. What your kids get taught in school, what they get exposed to on social media, on all of these devices, on the internet in general, and any media, that's your responsibility. You're going to be held accountable for that. And if you have not done your best, and you need to be careful to really assess what your best means. Because again, shaitan will always whisper into our hearts to try to give us excuses why we're not fulfilling the responsibility. Because he wants to take the children astray. And he's working on them at a parallel path. And he's working on you as well. And he's working on society as well. So what your kids get fed, what they get taught, what they get exposed to, the influence that they undergo, don't think that's not your responsibility. It's your responsibility. And Allah will hold you accountable. If you want to lie to yourself, if you just want to try to pass the buck, you can fool yourself here. But with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everything will be brought. Everything will be brought. The scales of Allah are true. You can come up with excuses. You can make up a story now to sedate yourself and make yourself feel better. And you think you have excuses. Oh, that's all I can do. But these will fall apart when you stand before Allah on the Day of Judgment. That's your responsibility.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.